Hello YouTube, today we're going to take a look at the Scream Factory, the Howling statue. This one came out last year around San Diego Comic Con. They only made 1,500 copies of this, so if you guys are into werewolves, you should definitely go check this out and buy it as soon as you can. Now I'm going to go over the packaging. You can see in the front, I still haven't taken the wolf out of the box. The top it says Howling. Side it says Howling and also a photo of the wall. The back, this is the art of the movie. And on the other side, it's another picture of the wall. It looks pretty cool. And now I'm gonna go over the box and I'm gonna take the wolf out of the packaging. So stay tuned. As you can see, I already took this werewolf out of the box. I'm gonna go over it now. I'm pretty excited. They made this last year around San Diego Comic Con. I think it's a San Diego Comic Con exclusive. I'm gonna go over it now. They made two versions of this. One this, and then the other one was like with the bloody fingers and blood on the base. I like that idea. But I'm pretty happy about it like this. But if I want, I can add like blood here and the base, and I'm also want to put like a little skull. I think it's gonna look good. It might look even better. So, and also you guys can let me know if you guys like that idea, and then I will definitely do it. They did a great job on this. The face, the painting, the eyes, mouth. I'm gonna show you the whole angle of it. This thing is 7-8 inches. It looks great. I'm very happy about it. I think I will give it like a 9 out of 10. They made a big version of this too, but I think I like this one more. Yeah, let me know in the comment below what you guys think about this werewolf, if it's a pass or pickup. All I know is like there isn't a lot of werewolf statues or figures if you get, so I will definitely recommend this. They only made 1,500 copies, so if you guys, I would recommend go to the website of the Scream Factory and buy it if you guys like it. And then also feel free to like and subscribe for more unboxing videos. And until next time, I will see you guys.